Did you know that just 10 minutes of physical activity a day can help restart your body's engine? If you've been inactive for years, getting back into exercise doesn't have to be daunting. Starting small with simple, targeted movements can improve circulation, strengthen key muscles, and boost your confidence, all without overwhelming your body. In this video, we'll discuss 5 areas you can improve with beginner-friendly exercises designed to ease you back into fitness safely and effectively. Let's take the first step together. Number 1. Promoting circulation in the lower body. Blood circulation is essential for joint health and reducing swelling, especially after long periods of inactivity. Poor circulation can lead to stiffness, discomfort, and even more serious conditions like blood clots. To promote circulation, perform the ankle rotation exercise. All you have to do is lift one leg slightly and gently rotate your foot in a circular motion, moving clockwise and then counterclockwise. Repeat this exercise on the other foot, either seated or standing. Aim for 20 seconds on each foot, focusing on smooth, controlled movements. For a modification, try it for 10 seconds on each foot. These small movements may seem simple, but they encourage blood flow to areas that are most affected by sedentary behavior. Consistently practicing this helps maintain the health of your knees and ankles while preparing them for more activity. By improving circulation in your lower body, you're reducing the risk of swelling and joint stiffness, especially if you've been inactive for a while. Number 2, waking up your calf muscles. Your calf muscles act as a pump for your circulatory system, helping blood flow back to your heart. Weak calves can lead to instability and difficulty walking, both of which increase your risk of falling. To prevent falls, try the heel lifts exercise. Just simply raise your heels while keeping your toes on the floor, then slowly lower them back down. Perform this exercise for 2 sets of 15 or 1 set of 15 for the modified version. Activating your calves with heel lifts improves circulation, supports your knees, and enhances your ability to balance. Over time, strengthening your calves will help keep you mobile, reduce fatigue during daily activities, and lower your risk of falls. By gradually incorporating this exercise into your routine, you're building the foundation for better lower body strength. Number 3, strengthening the hip flexors. While stretching your hip flexors is often emphasized, strengthening them is just as critical. Weak hip flexors can contribute to lower back pain and limit your ability to walk or climb stairs effectively. To improve your hip flexors, perform the knee lifts exercise. You can perform this exercise by sitting up straight in a chair and lift one knee toward your chest. Lower it back down, then repeat with the other knee. Perform 15 repetitions on each leg or try 10 repetitions per leg for an easier option. Knee lifts target the hip flexors by engaging the muscles around your hips and thighs. This exercise works to restore balance in your lower body, improving overall stability. Strengthening your hip flexors helps relieve strain on your lower back and makes it easier to perform everyday tasks like standing up or bending down. Over time, these movements will help increase your flexibility and ease discomfort from prolonged sitting or inactivity. Number 4, reversing forward shoulders. Forward shoulders, often caused by sitting at a desk or looking down at devices, can lead to poor posture, back pain, and tightness in the chest. Restoring shoulder mobility is vital for improving alignment and reducing tension. For tension, you should try the shoulder rolls exercise. Start by sitting or standing tall and slowly roll your shoulders backward in a circular motion. Complete the movement for 20 seconds, or reduce it to 10 seconds for a more manageable modification. Shoulder rolls are an excellent way to relax any tension in your shoulders and upper back, which often accumulate from poor posture or long periods of sitting. This exercise strengthens the muscles responsible for maintaining upright posture, and by practicing it regularly, you'll improve your shoulder mobility, reduce discomfort, and encourage proper alignment in your upper body. Over time, you'll find that you're sitting and standing with better posture, and your back and shoulders will feel less tight. Number 5, rebuilding overhead mobility. Limited shoulder mobility can make simple daily activities, like reaching for objects on a shelf, feel awkward or even painful. Improving your shoulder range of motion can increase your independence and prevent discomfort when performing common tasks. For shoulder mobility, try doing arm lifts. All you have to do for this exercise is just sit or stand with your back straight and lift your arms overhead as far as you can, pausing before reaching any pain. Hold for a few seconds, then lower your arms back down. Perform for 20 seconds or try a 10-second version if you need to modify it. Arm lifts help restore strength and flexibility in your shoulders by gradually increasing the range of motion. While the movement might seem simple, it's an effective way to rebuild flexibility in your shoulders. Over time, you'll notice improvements in your ability to reach overhead, perform daily tasks with ease, and reduce any discomfort or stiffness in your shoulders. These exercises are more than just simple movements, they're building blocks for a healthier, more active lifestyle. By focusing on circulation, strength, and mobility, you're addressing key areas that might have been neglected due to inactivity. Remember, progress happens gradually, so stay consistent and celebrate each milestone along the way. For more great content, remember to watch this next video here. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you soon.